Alright, so I'm having a little bit of trouble with this Cub Cadet. Not quite sure why the deck will only lift up to the fourth spot. So, I'm not sure if this is supposed to be like this, but apparently, well, this is a Cub Cadet made by MTD, so I'm not exactly sure why the deck hits this little L thing right here. So, somebody could tell me what causes that. If I bring it down, I mean, all that I can lift it up to is about up to there. 3 hits it too. 4 is just putting more pressure on it. And then you can just bring it up, it's just bending that little L bracket there. So I'm not sure exactly why it's doing that. This is a toolless deck, toolless removal. It's got little springs and the little things in there. It's got this tensioner right here. So this is a electric PTO on it. I rebuilt the PTO. Well, I didn't rebuild it. I just beat some parts from some other ones to fix it. So, but the PTO works fine. This belt is a little loose. I need to get a little bit smaller belt because I think the guy put the wrong belt on it. So. It barely has any tension on it, so I'm not sure exactly why it's doing that. I'm not sure. I might have not hooked up this right. Somebody could tell me. It'd be great if I can get a flashlight or something. I got one later. Well, I got this work light. I don't know if that'll help that much. So you can see right there, this arm right here, I put it on the other side. I'm not sure if that's exactly where it's supposed to go. There's a hole, just one hole there, and then there's a smaller hole right here. Obviously it won't fit in this smaller hole, so I'm not quite sure. I had to raise up this side of the deck just to put this one in, even with it all the way down. So, not exactly sure what's causing it. I'm did the exact same thing on the other side. The deck looks pretty even when you put it down. So I'm not sure if this thing could be out of adjustment, which I don't think it is, since I mean, I'm not sure. Well, see, it's not even, wheels aren't even touching the ground, so I'm not sure exactly what could be causing that. So if anybody really even knows anything about these, if you ever run into a problem like that. I know Pepper Cat Keith has been working on one of these, or I think 2 of these, that are similar. But yeah, I'm not sure exactly if I hooked that up right. I don't know if you can see the other one on the other side. Yeah, it's just got this little, there's a little piece over here that kind of keeps it in there. Really hard to see right here. So I'm not sure. I'll have to just keep on playing around with it and see if I can figure out why it's doing that. It's not really at the right height. I'm not sure exactly why. But maybe I'm missing something I'm just not seeing here. So anyways, I thought I might show you something else about starters. And it actually turned out that this starter is not going to be able to go on that other rad mower because the other rad mower has a metal gear, unfortunately. So I have to either order another starter, or I'm actually going to see if I can get this one going. This one is one that I had laying around. This is the one that was on that rad mower. You can tell the difference. And you can see the insulation kind of peeling off. And this one looks a whole lot better. Here's the side-by-side difference. It's kind of a way to tell if your starter windings are any good. So that one was no good. So I'm just going to take the brush out. The only thing that's wrong with this starter is that the plastic thing was busted on the outside. So I'm just going to take the brush assembly from the other one, put it in this one. It looks pretty good. Not too bad. About the same amount of wear on this one. Maybe not as much on this one. So see what happens. Maybe it'll work, maybe not. I've done this a couple of times and have had success with it, so hopefully that'll work. And unfortunately, with my new PTO that was on that Craftsman riding mower that I stripped down, the springs, there's supposed to be some springs right here, so I had to take it off of this one and put it on that Cub Cadet, because apparently the guy took apart the PTO and didn't put those springs back in, or didn't give me the springs. So anyways, also I might do just a warm start on this. Yeah, push the brake in. Yeah, the deck works, I just gotta put a tighter belt on it. So anyways, if somebody could help me out with this, that'd be great. Thanks for watching.